Hi, I'm Isaac Sindufi and welcome back to the second part of dealing with tables in Excel. Now, there are a number of things that you can do with tables. You just by clicking inside the table, I can choose the type of color that I want. When I move at format as table, I can choose to have that, and as I scroll my mouse over these tiles, automatically it's changing them. It's changing the table. It's giving me a preview of what that would look like. So I can change it to that, I can change it to that, I can have it look like that, or I can even have it look like that if you are a deeply graphical person. Then you can pick any of these. Could pick any of these styles. So I don't know which color is your favorite, I don't know which one you choose, but okay, for the lesson's sake, I'm going to pick that green color there. Alright, and we have this particular data. Now there's something also that you can do with the tables. If I want, I can if I want to say to just see this table, let's say I'm analyzing the hour 10 hours. Now you notice that on top here there are these little triangles. So if I want to show the data on Mondays that the 10 hours data is on where we only received maybe say one patient, I'll just come there and click on that one. It gives me this particular dialog box. So I'm going to unselect all. Then I want to see the days where we received maybe a single patient, and I click OK. Then automatically it reduces the table and it puts this little funnel up there, meaning that it does filters that, and it says it's equals to 1. So it's only showing me the days where we received a single patient at 10 hours. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Sunday we received a single patient. If I want to cancel that, I'll click there, and then I'm just going to say clear filter from 10. I clear it. Then I want to, let's say I want to monitor when we had let's say maybe at 9 hours when we received 5 patients. So I'm just gonna click 5 there, then go and click OK, and it shows me that at 9 hours the days when we had 5 patients were were Tuesday and Thursday. So this becomes so handy if you're having a lot of data to analyze, like so you've got hundreds of rows and then you've put them in form of a table. The table itself is able to make your life much easier. So I'm just clearing that. Alright, so that's the value that the table is able to give you. And also if you move onto there, you can also choose to have let's say within the table you want to highlight a particular area again. Let's say I just want to have this area here marked differently. Well, I can easily fill in the color normally, and the table will take up that. I can choose maybe to have let's say purple in there. Maybe this data is of a particular interest to me. Okay, and if I've made a table, so I'm just gonna undo, so I take out that particular purple. One other thing that you can do also with the table is how to add extra rows. Remember when you put this sum here, it gave a heading on top of 1701 because it was thinking we want to name them based on that particular order, but I can always go there and then rename that to something like total. I'll just put there as totals. Okay, suppose I want to create I want to add one more column, let's say before 14. What I need to do is I need to move my mouse on top of 14 there, and it gives me that black arrow pointing downwards. When I right click in there, I'll go under insert, and under insert I want to insert what? I want to insert do I want to insert rows above, or do I want to insert columns to the left? What I want is columns to the left. Alright, so you can see it has added a column and it's empty, and it's named it 1301. I can also name that one based on what I want it to be like. I can call it just add it. Alright, so how you can actually manipulate a table is all limited to your imagination. Otherwise, tables are there to like just make your life easy. You can even add the rows, and all I need to do is move to the edge here. Then I move to the edge, you see that it gives me that black the black arrow. So right click there, go under insert, and then just insert let's say I want to insert rows. Just click there and it has inserted the row there, so I can add data that I feel like adding in there. Alright, hope you put the tables to good use in everyday's life application. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.